In this video, I'm going to share how you can earn over $1,000 from a single click. Now, what we'll do is I'll show you exactly how this works. I'll show you how to set everything up. Now, things to note, you do not need any skills, you do not need any experience with this. It is very easy to get everything set up with this. And what I like about this method is you do not need any money to get started with this. So make sure you watch this video till the end because we're going to go over this step by step, and if you miss any of the steps then you won't know how to set this up correctly. Now in the video I'm going to share with you a number of websites, but I'm going to leave the best till the last because I'd like you to watch it till the end of the video. But joking aside, the last website I'm going to share with you is, in my opinion, one of the best platforms that you can use to make money online. And not only that, you can use everything I'm going to share with you in this video. You will know by the end of the video, you will know not only how this works, how to set this up, but ultimately you will be able to start creating a passive income online and from home. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you exactly how you can earn over $1,000 from a single click. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share this method with you, how you can earn over $1,000 from just one click. Now it may sound a bit bizarre and a hell of a lot of money for people just going and clicking one time, and you may not believe it, but I promise you it is absolutely true. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, and I'll show you some different websites that you can use with this method, but I'm going to save the best till the end because I've tried some of these that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and look, I'll hold my own judgment on that and I'll show them to you and you can make up your own mind, and like I say, I'll share the best one at the end in my opinion. So how this works is ultimately we are going to be promoting or sharing products, and then you earn what is known as an affiliate commission from doing so. And it isn't as difficult as what most people make out. Lots of people struggle with this because they either give up after a couple of weeks, which is without a doubt one of the worst things you can do, because whether you're doing affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTubing, anything to do with making money, on whether it's online or offline, the key to it is not giving up and continuing to learn and develop every single day. But most people, they do give up and then they just move on to the next shiny object. So if you are going to go down this route, give it time, learn every single day and just start implementing what you learn, and then you will see results. And I'll give you a perfect example of that. One is my channel here, my Not Taught at School channel. When I started on YouTube back in September 2018, I was putting videos out every single day, and I was getting like 10, 15, 20 views, and after a couple of weeks most people would have given up. And I'll be honest with you, lots of people said to me, why are you continuing to do this? You're not getting hardly any views, you're wasting your time. And fast forward to today, you can see we're at 40,000 views. So I would say it took, for my YouTube channel here, it took about 3 months for it to actually start taking off. But lots of people would have given up before the 3-month point, and as you can see here, we're now on 40,000 subscribers. So this is not me being bragging or showing off. I'm just saying to you, if you are going to go down this method, give it time, learn, take action every single day, and you can definitely 100% earn money with what I'm going to share with you. I know this because I earn money this way. I know lots of people who are earning money this way, and that's it really. So if you are going to go down this route, just please take your time and don't give up. So in terms of affiliate marketing, we're going to find products to promote. Now I'm going to share these products with you which you can earn over $1,000 from a click. You can earn less than $1,000, you can also earn a hell of a lot more than $1,000. So we'll start with something very simple, and I'm sure some of you may have seen this program here before, but we'll start with the first one and we'll just work our way through, because you probably won't have seen a couple of these different platforms I'm going to share with you. So the first one is this one here, and it's called Shopify. Now they have an affiliate program, and if I scroll down here you can see it says commissions here, how much you can expect to earn. So you've got an average of $58 per person who you recommend to this platform, and they pay up to $2,000 for each plus referral onto here. So with this platform here you can expect to earn anywhere between $58 and $2,000, and that just depends on whichever tier somebody signs up to on this. So what is it, Shopify? Well, Shopify, it's a platform where people build online shops. And it's really simple to do, it's really easy to do, and it can integrate with lots of different platforms. It can integrate with like eBay and Amazon and many more. And basically how this works is it's a one-stop website builder for people who want to build online shops. You've also got many rare things that you can do on here, so you can integrate, you know, you've got themes and lots more stuff on here. But Shopify is a great platform that you can market. And look, when it comes to marketing these products, every single affiliate platform that you join, they also give you resources. So not only will they give you the opportunity to earn money from marketing them, they will also give you the resources to actively promote them. I'll show you this one here over on Shopify. You click on here, you can see it goes about the affiliate program, so learn about the affiliate program, different tools that you can use, how to promote this properly, and then again how to become an affiliate. You can contact them and lots more. So this is a great website that you can use, and you can make some very good commissions from doing so. Okay, so that there is Shopify, and look, there's lots of information on here. If you're wanting to know how to, you know, sign up and market the platform, just go onto this page here. I'll drop a link to this below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. It shows you the affiliate program. It goes over resources of how you can basically market it and promote it and everything. But it's a solid company. They've been around for a number of years, and I have no worries or, you know, concerns recommending this platform to you. The next one I'm going to share with you is this platform here, and it's called the AWOL Academy. Now this here is basically geared towards entrepreneurs and people who are wanting to make money online. Now they have some very healthy affiliate commissions on here that you can earn. Now this is the homepage. Let's just scroll down. So it tells you what is the AWOL Academy. Now basically it's a platform that you can use to build a highly successful business, whether you're a total newbie starting from scratch or a seasoned entrepreneur. So if I scroll down here, I'll just show you the platform, but ultimately I'll show you the bit you're more interested in, which is the commissions. So this is the homepage, and you can go ahead and have a look at this and view our products, and, you know, go through here in the academy and all the different things on here. But basically, to sign up to this, you come over to this here, and you can see you can earn up to $5,000 in commissions from a single click. Now if I scroll down here, to become an affiliate for this website here, you just come over to this page here, put in your name and email, and you get started. There's a welcome video here. If I scroll down here, I'll show you the actual bit that you'd be more interested in, which is this, which is the actual commission. So this is basically, you recommend a product to somebody, and this is how much you can expect to earn on here. So you've got starting at $100. We've then got coming down. If you scroll down here, you can see you earn 30% of 2,900. You earn 30% of basically $5.5 grand. Scroll further down, you've got an 18 grand one here. You earn 30% commission from this, and we've got another one over here. And then there's more stuff on here. So again, this will show you how you can promote this. It shows you how to, you know, actively be driving traffic to your affiliate program. Because look, these programs that I'm sharing with you today, they're all great. As you can see, you can expect to earn some pretty good commissions. But the thing that you'll need to be focusing on is the traffic part. And again, the traffic part is included over on this website here for you on AWOL. They show you exactly how to drive traffic to your affiliate campaigns. The same on Shopify. They all have lots of resources for you to be successful with this, because obviously if you're successful, then they're successful. So this is called AWOL Affiliates. Now again, I'll drop links to everything I've been talking about for you. The third one and final one I'm going to share with you, which is my recommended one, is this one here, and it's called Wealthy Affiliate. Now this company here, again, they've been around for a number of years. You can earn some pretty decent commissions with this. Now the reason why I recommend this over any of the other ones that we've looked at today is a number of reasons. Number one is you can get started with this for free. The second reason why I recommend this platform is even if you sign up for free, they have some incredible training packages put together for you. And the training that you receive, it's done by people who have been earning money online for a number of years. It's very in-depth and it's very good, and I'll show you some of that in a second. But in terms of Wealthy Affiliate, how this works is if you have an idea, they walk you through the entire process to start making money online with this. And even if you don't have an idea and you're literally just wanting to make some money online, well, it starts right at the beginning for you. So you can see on here, this homepage here is kind of broken down into the building steps of this for you. So you sign up, and you can sign up for free. And you can see Wealthy Affiliate will help you choose a direction of your business with over 1 million different niches. So they'll go through and they'll show you, if you're maybe interested in technology or weight loss or shopping or whatever, basically, they will help you pick a niche, and then they will help you start building the foundations for a proper business. If I scroll down here, you can see build beautiful profit ready websites, no design skills needed. So again, they have website templates and themes or everything that you can use, and you can see here it takes less than 30 seconds to build a website. After this, it goes through and it shows you how to attract the traffic, and again, there's lots of videos on this. It then goes on to how you can basically promote products and sell them, and you see here, as a Wealthy Affiliate and member, you will learn how to choose from close to 600 million products that you can promote and start sharing and earning money from doing so. And this integrate, as you can see here, we've got eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, YouTube's on here. It really is a great platform, and the fact that you can get started for free is the reason why more and more people are coming over to this platform and joining this. So let me show you inside Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm going to click on here and I'll show you just some of the earnings that you can potentially earn from this. So if you scroll down here, you can see Wealthy Affiliate has one of the most exciting affiliate programs anywhere online. You can earn a consistent revenue by sharing this with people. And what I like about this is not only can you earn a decent commission from this, you also earn monthly recurring commission. So anyone who signs up and they go on to the premium, which is $49.99 a month, you will earn $23.50 every single month, and this is recurring. You've then got other bits on here, but you can see, I'll just highlight this to you here at the bottom. Commissions are at $8 for the first month. So if somebody wants to trial and test out the premium product, they can sign up for $19 for the first month. So for that $19, you will earn $8. And then after that, and it goes up to $49.99, you are earning $23.50 every single month. So it's pretty cool. But the reason why I recommend this as well is if you scroll down here, you can see this is just some of the training that's available with inside Wealthy Affiliate. Now, if you scroll down even further, you can play around with this. How much can you earn? You see here, referrals per day. If you get 5 referrals per day, 12% upgrade, 4-month average, this is how much you'll be earning every single month. But look, I'm not going to say to you, you guaranteed you to earn this every single month or this every single month, because it all comes down to how much time and effort you're going to put into promoting this and sharing this and working on it, basically. So let me just show you inside one of the, I'll click on this one, I'll show you inside of this one here, this training camp here. So you see here, this is the Wealthy Affiliate Bootcamp. You can see it's currently got a 9.4 out of 10 star rating, and this was originally uploaded on the 10th of September 2005. See, it's a lot of comments on here, but basically this is the foundations of getting everything set up and what you need. So you can see here we've got getting started, choosing your direction, building a website, look around. Everything you need to know to make money online is pretty much included in this here for you. As you can see here, I started going through the training. I've currently done 4 of 10. Now most of this I already know, so I'm not going to continue going through like activating your plugins and this sort of stuff, because I already do this within my online business. But if you don't have a clue and you don't know, you're absolute brand new at this, then this will walk you through every single thing you need to do. And you can see all the comments below here. These are not just spammy comments. These are people who are coming in, watching the training and leaving their comments, and obviously leaving their reviews on here. And you can see very good training. I like this comment here actually. This type of training we get at Wealthy Affiliate usually only comes with a high ticket price, and it really is. The training in here, even if you just sign up to this and go down the free route, sign up for a free account and start looking at some of the training, it really is great stuff, especially if you're looking at building an online business. It's a great platform to use, and I recommend it. It's the platform that I'm currently focusing the most on. It's great, it's got great training, but look, again, you can get started for free. There's no pressure or anything like that to sign up and go on to the premium or anything like that. If you wanted to try the premium, you can try it for $19. But there's lots more available inside of Wealthy Affiliate. But that is today's video. Those are a few different platforms that you can use to promote, and you can earn up to $1,000 per click. We have got Wealthy Affiliate, we have got this one here, the AWOL Academy, and then we've also got Shopify. So thanks for watching today's video. All of the links are down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.